Yo, what's up guys? Back again with another one. It's your favorite crazy YouTuber, rocking a mullet. My name's Ace Fraley. This is License to Sin. If you've been watching, appreciate you staying tuned. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that sub button. Today we are working on going to replace the upper control arms. My buddy JJ got or had some upper camber control arms from Godspeed that he sold me that I'm gonna try rocking for a little bit, see how I like it. I've been rubbing a little bit up here, so I'm hoping to add a little bit of camber to keep the fender from rubbing and destroying anything too bad. I mean, I just got that fender to match finally, so kind of don't want to tear it up too bad. Hopefully that'll fix my issue, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and tear into this. I'm just gonna be, you know, taking off the ball joint, all this jazz, and adding that jazz, hopefully adding a few degrees of camber, and then I'm gonna go to a buddy's shop and get them to alignment. Haven't done that, let's get started. Now we're gonna give this a good old trusty whack.
Whack.
That was easy. For now. Alright, just gotta pull these off from the inside now. And what size they are? So they are 14. Hope that's enough left for you guys. I do have a ratcheting 14 to make your job a lot easier to get in there. You could probably do it with like a wobble socket or, you know, a U-joint of some sort and an impact, but I don't know if you guys remember, I kind of destroyed that working on the Lincoln. So I don't know if I need to say this or not, but some of you guys may be noobs. So there's an L and a R on each control arm. L is for the left side of the vehicle. Left is driver's side. The side of the vehicle is when you're sitting in the car. Again, I don't think I need to explain that, but just in case there's some new guys out there not knowing 100%, that's what that means. So I'm going to be measuring both sides, but I'm going to make them match this side. Now I'm just going to run these in the middle right here. I think it's like +2 positive camber, -3 negative camber, or something like that. So from what I've seen, you install the ball joints this way. I'm certain you could do it the other way, but I don't know if it would interfere with any of this, so I personally wouldn't do that. But I'm gonna put this one on about midway, and I'm going to measure this distance just in case and match that to the passenger side when I install that. So it seems like it's just kind of starting where these welds are, but I kind of want both sides to have about the same, as close as I can get it before getting an alignment, because I don't know how easy this crap's gonna be to get in there to get the alignment done. So I'm gonna crank these down now and do my measurements, and remember that for when I go to do, or I'll put the ball joint on the other side before I go do the other side. That way the measurements are 100%. Alright, so I'd got my tape measure out and I marked them both off. I think they were about 1/2 inch from either side. So those are going to be essentially identical in terms of camber, hopefully, on this aspect of it. So I'm going to put all that together and hopefully it's about where I like it. We'll see. That to line up a little bit. I don't know. I don't like that castle nut because it doesn't have a flange on it. So it does. So I'm going to use the stock nut with it because I prefer that flange, so it won't dig into that as much and hopefully fit better. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and just find the torque specs on this real quick. Come on. There we go. So I think I might be able to get this in. Don't forget to put that back in. Perfect. Maybe I need to just tighten it a little bit more just because where the castle nut is. There it goes. And that side's done. Hopefully that does what I need. I'm gonna put the wheel back on now and see about where it sits, and hopefully I don't have to fuck with any of this anymore. Okay, I didn't show it, but I did have to take it off again to get it right about where I wanted it. About where I put it was probably pretty close to what the stock control arms were doing before the alignment. So I put it back to where it was about 1 1/8 inches, 1 1/4 inches. I think it was about 3/4 before. So I like that a bit more so the suspension can go up in some. So when I do the alignment, hopefully they can dial it in right about where it is here and get all the toe and stuff adjusted. Now time to move on to the other side, guys. Hopefully the other side should go pretty quick. I just gotta do my measurements for the right side ball joint and take this all apart and jack it up and off to the alignment. Not bad at all. I think that's gonna wind up pretty damn good. It's not too much camber. I could probably always knock it in a little bit if I want to. But I think for right now, it might do the trick. Plus with me wanting to do some drifting, a little bit of camber will help. And nothing too aggressive because I do still plan on driving the car for fun. So let me get all these tightened real good and then we'll go get an alignment. All right, well, off to get an alignment. And yes, I changed clothes. I look like a fucking highlighter now. So, all right, so I'm gonna stop, get cash, and then I'm gonna head to get that alignment. Last time I wasn't able to record while I was there, so I probably won't be recording in the alignment stuff, but I'll show you the specs of before and after, hopefully. Well, guys, the alignment place got the car aligned, but it still pulls to the right pretty bad. And they said that they weren't going to charge me, and I just to come back next week and they'll take a look at everything. It wasn't off by much, so my eyes did a pretty good job on getting everything dialed in. They only had it on the laser alignment for like 10-15 minutes and got it all 100%, so not too bad.